Welcome. In this quick guide, I will show you how to easily activate your IDIB debit card online step by step. So the step one, guys, visit IDIB website and the homepage. Start the visiting official website, as you can see here, and log into your account, as you can see here, and using your username and password, and make sure you have your credential ready. And step three, navigate your card service. And after that, guys, click your manage your debit card and select your activate card, and under card service choose activate card option, and you will see list your card, and then enter your card details and select your activate card and enter your required detail, card number and expiration data. And step six, verify your identity, and it will prompt you verify your identity through your time or one time password OTP, and confirm activation. And on verified card, you will be successfully activated. You will receive confirmation message onto their via email. And you can activate, guys, also from your mobile and go to WhatsApp, as you can see here, and follow these steps and by number, and you can activate easily with WhatsApp. Thanks, guys, for watching this video.